So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-clear ng cache file sa ating LOKLOK app. But first, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating LOKLOK account or yung ating LOKLOK app. And then, pagka-open guys ng ating LOKLOK mula dito sa homepage, itap lang natin yung me nandun sa may lower right side. So, para mapunta tayo sa pinakang settings ng ating LOKLOK account. So, dito naman guys, i-scroll up lang natin. And then, punta kayo dito sa section ng preferences and then tap nyo yung settings. And ayan guys, dito sa settings, hanapin nyo lang yung clear cache na dito sa may pinakang baba. So kung makikita nyo guys, meron akong dapat i-clear dito na 13.1 megabytes. So ang gagawin lang natin, tap natin yung clear cache. And ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, naging 0 na ulit yung aking cache file. So ayan lang guys, gano'n lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-clear ng cache file sa ating LOKLOK app. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.